Pangit naman ng mga lugar. Ba yun? Hanggang na naman ang pindutan ito. Ay, sa bugan siya. So unlucky bitch in town. Ay, nakarating agad sila doon. Ganun. I will give. Hala, nanaksak. Anong pa yan? Ay, hindi ba lang tinabla ng bala? Ay, tumama na. Ay, gusto ba yun? Tangina mo, may naglalakad doon sa gilid. Ay, lumabas sa pinto. Ay, guys. Kanina pa kayong putalabas kayo, ha? Uy, okay lang yan. May tatali yan dyan. Ay, gusto. Gago. I got him, that bitch. Wala. Ay, mayroon sa gilid. Well, I'm gonna kill all of the bitches. Tiyan. Bro, ayun na. Sige, pasabugin kita dyan sa taas. Give her likeness to this video. Okay, hindi na ako nakuha. Sniper yan. Hala, tumakbo hanggang. Ano pa yan? Nakatapat na yung baril eh. Pati namatay na yun. Pinagtitripa ng mga sniper na to. Kaya yan dyan. School, kaya pagrambulan siya sa loob. Hindi mo pa rin nahuli. Ano ba yun? Ang bilis naman yun. Oh, wala na akong laban. We know that. Be such a polished. Wala nga sila dito sa taas yun. Luha ka. Mamamatay ka na naman, ha? Ganun ba yun? Yes, yun. Nagtatago sa loob, guys. Lumikit yung bomba, kakit. Yung aso dyan. Ay, so foolish, bitch. Ayoko na tumaan siya. Makikita mo. Ang tagal lumabas ng pampasabong. That's so good pag mayroon ng pampasabong. Dito ata sila eh. Wala man sila dito. Hindi makaintindihan. Bus na. Put down the sniper pa din. Reko. Let's say that bitch. Ala, hindi tinamaan. Buti na nasuntok agad. Bro, kayo Yes niya. Mahabot sila. Ang bayan. Uy, minamaril sa taas. Ano ba yan? Kainis naman. Nasasayang yung effort ha. Katotally yung loss na rin. Nasaan? Hala, nag-cyber bigla. Isa, ano pa yan? Ako lang naman ata lumalaban. Charet. Baba sila dun. Pakainom ko sa kanila. Thank you for saving my puwet. Charot. Walang tumulong sa akin. Charot ko lang sinabisa. Ayan. Sige. Are you there, Sir Bitch? Buisit ka, bruha ka ba talaga? Natamaan na. Bay ka. Kanina ka pa bruha kasi nagpak yung bruha. Buisit yan. Nandoon siya. Okay, let's sugod din in the back to the left. Hindi ako makaalis. Buisit yun ah. May drone siya. Ang ino. Totalo na naman. Umakyat ata yung isa to. Wala. Wala, hindi ko alam saan pupunta. Wala, binaril na eh. Anong ba yan? Saan na pupunta ang bala nun? Please. Ito, ano, pinasabog niya, hindi pa namatay. Bakit may bumaba? Kailangan niya sabihin na enemy kit. Parang aswang lang din. Ayaw! Putang ina. Ay, mamatay. Ano yan? Pag ginusto lang dyan mamatay. Otomatic. Ay, no. Kanina pa pinapatira ng mga baril yan. Gigigil ka na lang. Yung mga baril sa likod ko eh. Ano? Ang bruha kayo ah. Parang ay, sinantok. Ayop ka, kainin mo yan doon sa loob ng sala set. Sala set? Wala, hindi pumasok bro. Ano ba yung bruhang yan? Hindi pa namatay ah. Patayin niyo yung bruhang yun. Ay, binaril niya. Ay! Pumantay. Ang puwet nila doon. Pumantay ang scoraciousness. Kainin mo yan siya. Gago ka. Ay, dalawa sila to. Nagtatago. Ayun. Taking the lead, 1 point lang. Hindi pa man lang pinataas eh. Hoy, binabaril na, ayaw pa din. Ano ba yun? Okay, nakaka-stress maglaro. Imbis na matutuwa ka maglaro. Kainin mo ito dyan. Bago ka. Sarap ka sa bala. No? Sure. Maligo ka ng granada dyan. Bruha ka. Bruha ka pa dyan. Ay, sinapa. Hindi siya lumabas. Gago. May pagsapakan doon sa bayan, 30. Nasayang lang yung granada. Anong bayan? Ay, yung shockwave. Tragis kayo. I don't wanna go there, you know. There's a test. Bago pa. Kaya mo, baril mo ako ng sniper mo. Gunggong ba? Wala! Nahihilo ako sa movement. Ano ba yun? Sabugan siya for today's video. Naglabasan yung mga aso nila, 32 pa lang. Paano ba yan? Goodbye nga. Talo na naman. Ina. Ay, magsilabasan siya. Contact. Nasaan ba yun? Oh, wala. Bago ka. Yun ata sa taas yung isa. Ay, shit. Ay. Bilhin mo naman yung isang yung voice ito. Kainin yan siya. Ay, 42 hahabol. Sa pakatulog. Yummy, bitch. Ayoko dyan. Bruha nandun. Sinapak siya. Yes, we're gonna win this day. Fairness for today's video. Gonna do it so better. Sino ba yung namamaril na yun? Bruha yun nga. Ay, ang bagal. 53 pa nga lang eh. May bumabaril dun eh. Hindi ako makaalis dito, gago. Uy, may nagsasamuray. Patay kayo. Ay, handa ang granada dyan. Baka pumasok yan dito. Sumabog. Panalo na. Ay, muntik na tayo matalo. Buti pinilit ko. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Ang pangit naman yan sa train station. Ano ba ba? Ay na tumakumpo. Ano ba yan? Okay. Ay no, may sniper to. Ah, Charlie ka pala ha. Charot. Kailangan makarating doon agad. Kahit mahirap maglakad. Humihinto-hinto yung paglalakad niya. Ba't ganun? Hala, binaril na nga eh. Nangangainis eh. Nakakainis na nga yan. Patay yung dalawa. Hindi ko dyan doon ang pangin. Pinagbabaril ako. Ang dami yung pambulisit. Hindi ako dataan dyan. May sniper dyan. Ang ano yung mga goblin. Kagi, hindi ako makakit sa basurahan. Tago sa gilid. Lo, namatay siya doon. Ay, na 50 na sila. 50. Friday na. Ay, patay na pala. Ano ba yun? Yung ko dyan to na may sniper. Aha, boy, hala, ba't sa bubong tumama yung drone? Aasar ka na lang din talaga. Bilis ng bumaril yun. Tangin. Sugurin nyo sila doon. Huwag kayong mag-sniper. Pero hindi nyo naman agad talagang care. Masyado. Ano ba yan? Shockwave na ang layo-layo. Yaw-yaw. Yaw-yaw. Okay, umalis dyan. Babatuhin ko sila ng granada to. Gagi, ako pa yung nasilaw after kainis, dalawa sila. Wala na, 20 lang. Wala na, huwag na kayo magpakita. Naku. Switching sides of the losers. Boging sila sa likod. Kitang ina may sniper. May aso dito. Ang inang yan, hindi malabang. Tinamaan agad. Daming aso nila ha. Lagi nilang kalaban talaga may aso. Ganyan. Sa bayan. Kakainis eh. Laging kalaban may aso. Akala mo malandi kayo, mabruha kayo. Sana yun. Ay, nandun siya. Umakakit siya dun. Where are you gonna go this bitch? No, even though they are going down the road with the moment. Ano ba yan? Binabaril na eh. Visit na Charlie to ah. Buruhang Charlie yan. Ano tayo? Ba yan? Siya pa rin. Sinasalubong ang pagbumukha niya doon. So happy bitch. Tanga-tanga. Hindi ako makaakyat. Grabe. Naglalakad dito ng kalaban. Hinampas ka. Parang gusto kong magpalit ng weapon. Kanina ka bang Charlie ka? Puro ikaw yung papakita. Matuhid ang granada sa likod. Hindi bumabaril na yan. Baliw yan. Kapulay yung of course si Charlie ata. Hindi. Bakit dalawang beses na naman natang chat? Tatlo na ata. Kinala ko si Silaw dyan. Oh, may paipal sa likod. Let's go there behind it, you know. Visit. Lagi na lang akong sisilaw dito. May isa pong dumating. Monetize natin ang mukha niya. Monetize talaga. Hindi ako makatakbo. Bilis na. Tumakbo dito kanina. Bilis. Kaya ba sniper siya? Ayan ba? Ibang amo, kundi usok. Tik na yan. Siya bungit. Yung makakit dito pala natin guys. Sniper yung isa. Ano ba yan? Malulugi tayo ng bonggang-bongga dito. Puro sniper ah. Lapit naman ang bombang yun. Mga dumaan to. Sino ba yun? Tangin na tumaan din. Hirap din talaga visit guys. Nawala! May nanununog. Nawala ang puta. Puntay hype na. Napatay nyo? Nawala. I'm clueless. Charot. Ay! Wala na ako napatay. Ano yun? Charot. Mga dalawa, tatlo lang. Sugurin sila dun sa likod. They were there everywhere. I have the backup here. I will help. No, wala akong backup. Iniwanan ako. What the heck? Tangina. Hala, na baril pa din. God, Lord. Ito ko ba yan? Ayun pa nga dumaan dyan. Tinatamad ako please. Of course, puro sniper yan. Mahayop yan eh. Pinatay nyo. Fairness, pinatay nyo. Yung ko na dumaan siya. Madulas-dulas pa siya. Para siyang impact. Tapos mapokus siya sa kanyang ini-sniper. Hindi niya alam, sasapakin ko na siya. Uy, gagi, may dumadaan doon sa gilid. Ay, may pumasok pala doon sa gitna. Ayun. Wala na, hindi na gumagana yun. Parang may nagsasabu mga man. Paho. Hayop ka, mambaril ka na naman dyan. Tawag ko dyan, hayop ka, mamalandi. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Hindi ko alam dito yung daanan ng fairness. Nakikita niya ako sa mapa. Hala, nakikita niya ako. Ay, puta rin. Sa katingin din lagi sa mapa sila. Dapat yun, kalimutan nila yung mapa. Oh, nakakalimutan ko yung mapa. Sila na re-remind nila ang sarili nila. May aso pa.
Maglakad na rin si Jamin para masigurong hindi masisira.
It was so funny. The bitch is so funny. They didn't even know where they gonna go. That bitch. Gago ka. Hindi ko lang na-pack yung bro ha. Move. Sinapak ako. Gago. Kaya niya to. Ay, mabol kay 55 ba lang sila? Ay, 53. Habol sa likod. Punta ko sa likod. Then good luck to us. Uy, tumugod na kayo. Yun, 57 na. Ano ba yan? 58, wala na. We're so dying right here. Like this. Uy, habol, mga ubo. Wala, 58. Kamuntikan lang po kami manalo. Okay, that's my kakampi. Naman niya rin napatay. I'm the lowest after all. Oh, it's a ship. Naku, Wala, may swimming pool.
I will not stop until
Ano
the
ba
last
yun?
drop of fuel and the last drop Lord or King.
Sa isang liblib na lugar sa Cavite, matatagpuan ang isang abandonadong rila na nagpapaalam ng misteryo.
Uy, gagi, ba't pumunta doon?
Anong sinasabi ni Kuya Kapi? Masyari pala itong rehab nito, guys.
In the
Hey,
deserts of
Sebastian.
Mexico, two people sit inside a parked car. A man named Emilio and his boss, a woman named Cora. The car is running perfectly fine, but Cora tells Emilio to pop the hood and check the engine anyway, just so they blend in and work around
Dalawa na batay.
They are here on purpose, quietly
Ay,
watching
dami ko
the
na batay. Charot.
This is the 9th day after a plane crash,
Masyadong
and the
okay,
soldiers
konti
have
lang
finally
naman.
located the wreckage. The military spots Cora and Emilio's car, but they think nothing of it. It just looks like an ordinary breakdown out in the middle of nowhere. Soon after, a helicopter arrives carrying victims from the crash, and this is exactly what Emilio had been waiting for. But the helicopter is not bringing back any.
The story begins deep inside a dense forest. Suddenly,
Deep in the
the sound
suburban,
of an
we have
aircraft wakes
killed
Drasa
those
from her sleep.
bitches.
She immediately grabs her weapon and gets
Down.
ready. The moment a man steps out of the plane, he is shot straight in the head. Meanwhile, former Marine sniper Levi wakes up from a terrifying nightmare. To calm his mind, he heads to the beach. The next morning, he receives a message ordering him to report to the Marine Corps base.
Ay, no, huwag kayong
At the
papatangan.
base, he meets Agent
Hirap
Bartholomew.
na hirap
She
pa
tells him that Levi is an exceptional sniper with no family and no close friends. That is exactly why he has been chosen for a highly classified mission in Lithuania. On the other side, Drasa visits her mother's grave with her father.
Hala na, sayang.
There, her father reveals a heartbreaking truth that his cancer has reached its final stage and there is no possible treatment left. He says that if he is still alive by February 14th, he will end his own life so he can reunite with his wife on Valentine's Day. Sometime later, in September, Levi wakes up again. He finds himself inside a military aircraft.
Hindi ako makakita dito, gagi.
Has no value at all. Here, every single day, inmates are forced to fight each other to the death, and whoever survives only earns the chance to live one more day. But the most terrifying part is that this prison's most dangerous fighter was once a
Hala, sino?
military man.
Sinaksak,
A man who
tinaga.
only wanted revenge against his wife's
Wala na,
murder.
talo na ako.
Then something happened to him that turned him into the most dangerous
Inayos ko kasi
Polish
masyado.
prison
Charot,
ever
hindi
seen.
naman
It all
masyado.
started a few days earlier.
Masyado
when
naman
Kyle
OA.
right in front of his own eyes, watched his wife get murdered. He hadn't even recovered from the shock when suddenly the
Hindi ako makaalis dito, gago.
heavy vase over his head, and seeing his chance, fled the scene, burning with rage.
Okay, itodo nyo yan para hindi makakahap. 12 pa lang sila.
Ended up boarding a bus, and there, sitting right in front of him, was the very killer he was hunting. Without wasting a single moment, Kyle lunged at him. But the
Dito sila sa gilid eh. Masaya sila dito sa gilid eh.
And as bad luck would have it, the police showed up, mistook Kyle for the actual killer, and arrested him instead. He was hauled straight into the courtroom. He kept trying to convince the judge that he wasn't his
Di ba makita? May shit pa.
had been chasing down his own.
Nakailag yung isa doon. Nakakang ko siya doon. Nakadapa pa siya. Saan nagpunta na bang bruhang? Seba sila.
Imagine surviving
Can't see them well.
as a Jew by going to war with your enemies while hiding the very
Nako, ayoko pumunta dyan.
evidence that says otherwise. This is the true story of Solomon Perel during World War II. Our story opens with the circus.
Ano may aso? Tangilang niya. Ay, ano nangyari na sa akin?
Solek was born the same year Adolf Hitler was,
I raised this fight,
which
charot.
already feels like the universe setting up.
Ay, may bata.
Years later, on the very day of his bar mitzvah, Solek is getting ready to bathe when he hears commotion.
Ay na, may dumataan
Looking through the
doon.
window, he sees a column of Hitler youth marching down the street, and when one of them mocks him through the glass, Solek knocks him out. Bad move. His sister Berta calls for him to hurry up and home. But moments later, a mob of Hitler youth begins smashing into the family home. With no time to grab clothes, Solek bolts out into the street stark naked and dives into an empty barrel to hide. He stays hunkered down for hours. Later that night, a neighbor finally finds him. She hands him something to wear that she found in the wreckage. A leather jacket with a swastika on it, of all things. When Solek finally comes home, he learns his sister Bertha didn't survive the wreck. Grieving and terrified, his father decides the family isn't safe in Germany anymore.
Ay,
Everyone
nako,
moves on to
nakakapagod.
East Lodge in Poland. In Lodge, the Perels rent an apartment above a small movie theater run by a hunchback woman. And Solek strikes up such a good rapport with her that he gets to watch films for free whenever he wants. Which honestly might be the most truly good thing that happened.
Sumabog ako,
That
gagi.
peace doesn't last because Germany invades
Hindi,
Poland and World War II
can't
begins
fight
again.
myself.
With German troops closing in on the city, Solek's father makes the gut-wrenching decision to send his son
Puntahan sila doon.
Solek and his older brother
Sila
Asher.
tatago sa ta.
But during the river crossing, their roads get separated. Partway across, they run into
Hindi mo
another
kaya
German
yan, bitch.
and the passengers are screaming warnings that the other side isn't safe either.
Iyon ko na tuloy, tinatay.
In 1942, FSG's Heinrich Himmler initiated Operation Freiheit, Nazi Germany's final solution to the Jewish question. 3 death camps
Isang pa? Ganun.
These camps all in Eastern Poland were Belgium, Treblinka, and the most secret